Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, y'all, but it's been a lot going on in life. You know how life gets, and right now, it's really, they keep saying uncertain times, but we gotta keep it going. We gotta keep going, y'all, because that's human life. That's what we here. Gotta keep rolling. So I hope everybody out there staying safe and staying healthy, keeping your head up. But anyways, I'm like a hot mess. It's some self-care time. It's some me time. And I'm sorry y'all for the background noise. I hope y'all don't hear it because my people in there being loud. Anyway, I got a shirt. Yes, a shirt that I really don't care about because guess what time it is? I'm gonna bleach my hair again, y'all. Okay, story time. I shaved my hair off twice in the past year and some change. And I shaved it completely off the second time I cut it. So, this is how long it is now. I haven't colored it in a long time. Maybe almost a year. It's the only color I have that's at the ends. So, y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do this time. Do something different. I was gonna do my whole head, but this time I'm not. Maybe hint the part in the middle. Anyways, let me show you some of these products. I already showed you some of them. I might do a voiceover. I might not. But today's video is gonna be coloring my hair, y'all. So, let's get to it. The products you need. Don't have a ring light. I got these colors that developer. I'm gonna do a protein treatment afterwards. I got gloves, but I'm gonna put this on my hair while I'm bleaching it. I'll show you this stuff when I get the camera back position. I got my drink. Oh, I already conditioned my hair like a couple days ago with the 3-minute Aussie conditioner. Just conditioning my hair is really dirty right now, but I just conditioned it. So yeah, I conditioned it before I did this, and this is like an extra layer of conditioner to protect my hair. So yeah. I ain't trying to do no bleach damage, y'all. So my hair don't get damaged again, cause I'm not cutting my hair again. We not gonna do that. Okay.
We made this light together. Like that light together. Yeah, that one night shit like this.
Okay. If I want to be in the video, I might as well let them know, hey, what's going on? I got a crush on this lady right here. She's so pretty. Look at her. See how pretty she is. With the orange hair.
Y'all, my hands be ashy. What is that? Oh, I think these both the same ones. So yeah. I don't even need both of these. I don't think.
So down.
So, all the products I used in this video will be linked down below. I'm going to put this in my hair, then I'm going to deep condition it, and then for the final reveal, I will post pictures at the end. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see. Peace, my love. He didn't know I didn't do the damn again.
Wake up in the morning, thank God. Lord, please bless my family.
Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, loves.